Alright, see if we can make a little movie for Mama of Minibike. Let's eat Minibike.
I need a Minibike.
Here it comes, don't worry. Here, a little bit of samosa and a little bit of chicken.
I need a Minibike.
Alright, here it comes. Ha ha. Hey Jack, I think we're almost out of gas. I know, Minibike, I just don't know where we are. Oh Jack, I think we're going down. Minibike. I thought you wanted to eat Minibike. For the record, we've eaten Minibike like 3 times. You want to eat Minibike? Oh no, Jack, we're going down! Minibike! Oh, you ate Minibike. Who else did you eat? Jack?
Jack.
Well, it was a lot funnier when he was totally doing it and laughing his butt off. Bye. Say bye.